Hi everyone, I am Deeksha and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. At the outset, I apologize for the delay in posting this video. After contracting COVID, I consciously decided to take a step back from a number of initiatives I had taken to focus on myself and my family. In my previous video, I discussed the express and the implied terms of employment contract in India, and I'm glad that you liked the video and sent your best wishes to me. In this video, I discuss the restrictive covenants typically found in employment contracts in India. Simply put, restrictive covenants prevent an employee from doing something. The obligation to not disclose confidential information, the obligation to not compete with the business of the employer, or the obligation to not solicit the employer's employees or customers are all restrictive covenants. When these are intended to operate during the duration of employment, they are generally considered to be reasonable restrictions to protect an employer's lawful interests. But the real issue comes when these covenants are sought to be effectuated post an employee's employment. So let's examine this in greater detail. When it comes to post-employment non-compete clause, courts in India have held that these are unenforceable as they seek to restrain a person from exercising their lawful profession, trade, or business. People often ask me whether it would help if the employer limits the operation of such non-compete clause to a certain geography or time period. But the judiciary has not carved out any exception from the view it takes in respect of such clauses. Interestingly, the approach of the courts in India is different when it comes to post-employment non-solicitation clauses. Courts hold such clauses to be enforceable, but the employer will have to demonstrate that there was active solicitation on the part of the former employee. This means that if an employer's employees or customers approach the former employee of their own volition, courts will not consider this as an inducement by the former employee. Similarly, a non-disclosure clause where the employer forbids an employee to disclose its proprietary information or trade secrets to any person is considered to be a reasonable restriction, even if it is intended to operate after the employee leaves the services of the employer. If you liked the video, please support my initiative by clicking on the subscribe button. You can also connect with me on LinkedIn. My handle is right in front of your screen. Thank you for watching.